there and welcome. My name's Suzanne from Non-Stop Papercrafts. Thank you for joining me again in my craft room. Okay, so I'm really excited to be here today to do an unboxing of the Your Creative Studio. This was originally their December 2021 box, but has been now shipped in February for whatever reason it couldn't be done in December. Got this beautiful butterfly, which I believe is the theme, thank you card. Absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see, packaged beautifully as well. So I'm going to be very careful taking this off because, as you know, we like to save these kind of things and then that can be used for something else. So let's see if we can carefully lift all this out. And then I'm going to try and just slide the bits out of the paper, and then I can work on the closure at another time, so I can, like I say, reuse that paper because it is so pretty. Oh my goodness, there's just tons in here. But yeah, if you have a look at the stamped images on here, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, definitely going to be saving that paper. So let's pop that back in the box and move that to the side. We've already had a look at the thank you card, but we'll leave that up there. So as I say, absolutely jam-packed. Look at all of this stuff. My goodness. So in this box then, as I say, it's a butterfly theme. We have some stickers. I believe these are like an acetate, so they're clear. Yeah, so an acetate sticker, so they're nice and clear. Great for obviously when you're doing specimen cards and things like that. Lots of lovely colours in there. Seems to be a lot of sort of pastels, but yeah, absolutely tons in there. So there's the stickers. Oh, another sheet of stickers. These feel really lovely. I think these are more of a washi, so they are kind of clear on there. But yeah, have a more sort of washy feel to them. But look at the design, absolutely beautiful. Really, really love those. So detailed, all of that detail in the wings, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so we've got a sheet of those stickers as well. Paper ephemera, so different papers with the butterflies on. And actually this backing paper, I mean, this is so thick, like this could easily be turned into a journaling card on its own and be used, because again you've got those beautiful pieces on there, so I really like that too. And so these are the papers, so it looks like some of them are duplicates. How many do we get? 4 of each. So we've got 4 of that butterfly. Really beautiful. And again, this is quite nice thicker paper as well. So we've got the yellow butterfly. Oh, that's gorgeous, isn't it? I like that one, very pretty. And again, just the detail, all of this in the wings is just absolutely beautiful. So we've got 4 of that one. Oh, that's a nice colour. Again, 4 of that one. And this one then for plenty of writing space. Nice little note card, but really pretty. And like I say, just the detail in the butterflies is absolutely gorgeous. Really like those. So they're paper ephemera. Then what else do we have? Oh, sticky notes and a butterfly shape. How cool is that? So again, has this nice thick backing, which could be reused for something. And then, yeah, post-its that are all the shape of the butterfly. Oh, I love that. So again, yeah, it's just this top section that's sticky, but they are really beautiful. Absolutely love those. Very, very nice. And you get loads of them, look. Beautiful. Oh, very nice. So this is like a handmade paper by the looks of it. Oh, beautiful. Look, I love that it's got all of those leaves and bits in there and petals. And the texture of this is really lovely. I know obviously you can't sort of feel the texture through the camera, but I wish you could. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh yes, very, very nice. Lovely textured paper. That'd be really good in like a nature journal or something, wouldn't it? What else have we got? What else have we got? Paper ephemera. Okay, so again, like I say, this backing really, really thick. So again, really good to use for journaling cards to be repurposed. And although it says paper ephemera, these are again really quite thick. I don't know if you can see the thickness very well on the camera. Again, we've got some duplicates, so it looks like 3 of each. So again, that beautiful butterfly with all of that detail. And I like that they're all different shapes as well. So 3 of that one. And we've got this beautiful pink. Oh, that's a lovely one. I like that shape. So nice. And as I say, really nice that they're just so thick. These would be great on journal covers and all sorts. Really, really lovely. Just making gift tags out of them is what I'm thinking as well. I'd make a lovely gift tag. I like that one that's been actually cut out in the butterfly shape. But yeah, just absolutely stunning. Oh, I do like the colour of that one. That's a nice one. Very, very nice. And that's the last one of those ones. But yeah, as I say, considering it says paper ephemera, they are nice and thick. So they're definitely going to come in handy. Then it looks like we've got different stamps. And again, loving this. Oh, it's a postcard. Ooh. See, this is why the backing papers are always just as useful as the content. So let's have a look at that one. So we've got tons of different stamps in there, but look at that backing. How fabulous is that? That's really, really cool. I like that. I do I have a soft spot for things that are postcards and handwritten and things like that. So I know this is obviously mass produced, but still it does look lovely. And then, as I say, yeah, absolutely tons of stamps. So it looks like you maybe get 2 of each. But again, just some really beautiful designs on there. Lots of lovely colours. Oh look, can you see that? I don't know how well how good the lighting is in here. But yeah, like a fairy. So that's really lovely. But yeah, lots of different butterfly themed stamps, and there are loads, as you can see. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, and then we've got this nice slimline envelope. My heart flutters with love. Oh, that's lovely. Oh. So this must be a bookmark, or it could even be a tag. But yeah, really love that. That's lovely. Nice sentiment on there. But yeah, oh, love that. That's very cool as well. And what else have we got here? Are they? Oh, more stickers. Oh, fabulous. But these are more like the traditional stickers, so obviously they're white and they've got a bit of a shine to them. But again, looks like we get a couple of each. And look, just so many different ones in there. Oh, that's beautiful. Absolutely lovely. That's a cute little one as well. Lovely designs. Oh, absolutely beautiful. I don't know how many are in there. I've still left some in there, but there are so many. What a brilliant box. Okay, so lots more stickers. Oh, that one's coming out again. Let's see if we can try and poke that back in. I know they're stamps, so we'll leave those for a moment. Right, so what have we got? Loft book collection series. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, okay, so yeah, it's a collection of all different types of papers, and this does actually feel a bit more like paper, but that would be fantastic for doing collage pages in your journals and things like that, and different languages as well, which is really good. I'm not sure what language that is actually. Does it say? Loft book collection. Nope. Nope, it also says made in China there, so it's hard to tell, but yeah, so that's not English. And I don't want to insult any other country by saying it's one thing when it's not, so, but yeah, but I don't recognise that, but it is a foreign language, it's not English, so really, really cool. And again, look, so many different ones, so yeah, that is excellent. And I love how this is bound together as well, that's really lovely. Okay, so then we have some vintage labels. And I do like a label. And I love that it's in this like little matchbox style as well. That's really, really cute. Oh my goodness, again, you get absolutely loads. Look at all those. Got some smaller ones still in there. Oh, and they're sticker back, so that's good. So they're all stickers, so you can easily take them off. And again, got some duplicates. I love that they're all different, again, shapes and sizes and colours. That is really, really lovely. Oh, and I like that because it's got a little bit of that handwriting on. That's really lovely. And some of them, as you can see, have got like little markings as if they're kind of aged, which is really, really lovely. Oh, amazing. Oh, again, we've got the handwriting. I like that. How fabulous. Definitely can't wait to use those in a project. Amazing. Right. So that leaves us then with some cling stamps. So there's 2 lots. So this one, by the looks of it, has a large one in, and this one has a large and a small. So I'm going to carefully try and peel this off because I do like to save the envelopes. And let's have a look. So yeah, so that's got the butterfly cling stamp. Lovely. And then this one, as I say, this one should have a big one and a smaller one, but the big one should be a different pattern to that one. Oh, okay, so excellent. So we end up with 3 then different sizes. So that's the next one. And then a wee little one as well. Okay, so we end up with 3 different sizes. So that's really, really lovely, and different details as well on here. So this one has, I don't know what they're actually called, but they look like little eyes that kind of go down the sides, which this one then doesn't have, but has a different pattern on. So that's nice that they then are all varied. So here are all the items now spread out across my desk for you to be able to see. That box was absolutely crammed full. There is so much here. I'm absolutely ecstatic. Thank you very much, Amanda from Your Creative Studio, for messaging me and inviting me to do an unboxing. This has been so much fun. In a video coming up, I will be making a spring journal where I will be including different butterfly elements. So I'll definitely be using things from here, and I will show you my process so you can get to see how I have used some of these items. I'm also going to take the opportunity to try and use some of this packaging because, as I said, it's just absolutely stunning. I love all of the stamped images on here. Absolutely beautiful. So I will be trying to use that up as well. I will pop the link down below to Your Creative Studio if you want to go and take a look at their subscription boxes. If this one is anything to go by, they are well worth it. As I say, absolutely crammed full of stuff. It's amazing quality. I cannot wait to start using this in my own crafts. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful crafty day. I'll see you later now. Bye bye.